Hi guys, this is Bully. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about some of the well-known web hosting providers, SiteGround and Hostgator. There are so many pros and cons of these web hosting providers that you should consider before you decide which one is better and which one will fit your business needs. If you want to set up a web hosting provider for your blog or your online store. But before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your support. All right, with that being said, let's dive right in. Alright, this is Hostgator website. It's hostgator.com. They have a couple of plans. In this video, we're gonna talk about comparing the hashling plan for only one website. And it's about $2.75 per month. And this is SiteGround website. At SiteGround.com, they also have a couple of plans also, and we're gonna compare the startup plan in this video. Their startup plan is about $3.99 per month. Alright, let's take a look at which one is better as a shared hosting. Hostgator. It's founded in 2002 in Houston, Texas, USA, hosting about over 2.5 million websites worldwide. And they have 24/7 support with a lot of knowledge-based articles. They also have over 1,000 employees so far. Let's take a look at SiteGround. They founded in 2004 in Sofia, Bulgaria. They host about over 2 million websites worldwide. They also have 24/7 support with a lot of knowledge-based articles. But they have about over 600 employees. Alright, which one is better? Hostgator as a shared hosting or SiteGround as a shared hosting? We are going to talk about only the hashling plan for Hostgator and the startup plan of the SiteGround. And let's take a look at some of the features between these two web hosting providers. For Hostgator, they have one-click WordPress installs. SiteGround also has that feature too. Both of them have free WordPress or cPanel website transfer. And as for Hostgator, they have unmetered bandwidth and disk space. If you use over 25% usage within 90 seconds, they will email you a warning message. If you don't reduce the usage, they will disable your website. And as for SiteGround, they allow you to use only 10 gigabytes of the disk space and bandwidth. As for unmetered traffic, Hostgator does that, but SiteGround lets you have only 10,000 visits per month. Both of them have free SSL certificate. Hostgator includes a free domain, but SiteGround doesn't include a free domain. For the price point, Hostgator would cost you about $2.75 a month, but SiteGround is about $3.99 a month. Next feature comparison. Hostgator and SiteGround both have free website transfers. As for the free automated daily backup, Hostgator doesn't have that, but SiteGround offers you that feature. Hostgator doesn't have a free CDN integration, but SiteGround does. Both of them have the free email to offer their customers. Hostgator doesn't have a lot of enhanced security solutions, unlike SiteGround. Both of them are e-commerce enabled. Hostgator doesn't have spam protection, but SiteGround does. Alright, next, Hostgator doesn't have out-of-the-box caching to make the website's performance faster, but SiteGround has. Hostgator doesn't have unlimited databases, but SiteGround does. And Hostgator doesn't have 100% renewable energy match, but SiteGround does. Both of them offer free MySQL transfer and script transfer that could make it easier for your developer. Hostgator cannot add collaborators for you, but SiteGround does have this feature. Hostgator doesn't have anti-hack systems and help, but SiteGround does. Hostgator doesn't have proactive updates and patches, but SiteGround does. Next, both Hostgator and SiteGround have free website builder feature. Both of them have webmail access, and both of them have advanced email tools. For the how many days for the money back guarantee, Hostgator offers 45 days, but SiteGround gives you only 30 days. Both of them have 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and email. Both of them have managed WordPress, and both of them are WordPress hosting. Next, Hostgator and SiteGround have website static tools, and both of them have application installs such as instant shopping carts, blogs, portals, forums, and counters. Hostgator doesn't have power redundancy, but SiteGround has. Hostgator has password protected directories, but SiteGround doesn't have that feature. Hostgator has custom error pages, but SiteGround doesn't have that feature. Both of them have expert management tools, and both of them also have unlimited subdomains and FTP accounts. Last, Hostgator doesn't have unlimited add-on and park domains, but SiteGround has. Hostgator doesn't have SSD storage, but SiteGround does. SSD storage is solid-state drive that could make your website run faster, but Hostgator offers $150 Google Ads spend match credit and $100 Microsoft advertising credits, while SiteGround doesn't offer that. Hostgator doesn't have hardware redundancy, but SiteGround does. And about the performance, both of Hostgator and SiteGround perform very well. As for the ease of use, Hostgator has classic UI design, but the SiteGround has modern UI design. Alright, let's take a look at Hostgator dashboard real quick to see how it looks like. And when you log into the Hostgator dashboard, this is what you'll get, and you just go under the control panel to launch the cPanel. As you could see on the dashboard here, there are so many menus with icons displaying on the entire page. Some people may like this design better, but some people might feel like it's too many things to pick or to choose. And on the right panel right there, it's for general information. You could see the backup statuses and a notification on the right panel. And you could see the usage. You could see statistics. It's just right there. And you could click on File Manager to go to another tab. This tab is for all the files for your websites. Click one of the websites on the left panel and you will be able to see all the files for that website in the center. As of right now, I don't have any files left for doodlingwebdesigns.com here because I just moved my website to SiteGround instead. Let's go back to the cPanel. Click FTP accounts to see how the form to create an FTP account would look like right there. Let's go back to the cPanel. Just click the backup link right here. If you can't find anything, you just use the search box up there to find what you're looking for within the cPanel. Add the hash link plan You have to back up your website manually, even though they said they back up it for you, but they just said it's frequent, not automatic, like SiteGround does on a daily basis. Let's go take a look at the SiteGround dashboard next. This is the SiteGround dashboard. The UI design is completely different from Hostgator. It's more modern with a clean dark theme design with less cluttering menus. Click the website's link on the top to see all your websites. Click Site Tools to manage that website. And the main menus are located on the left panel. Click Site and click File Manager to go to your website directories. You could see all the website files under public_HTML directory right here. Click the security to go to the backups. And here are all the backup files within the last 30 days that they do it for you automatically. Click WordPress link on the left panel, and there is the install manager, or to manage your install right here. And then if you click on the park domains, this is where you could add additional domain right there, and with some subdomains right there. You could see the DNS zone editor right here. And this is the email section. You could create an email account right here. Their forms are really clean and less cluttering. The statistics, it's right here. Click the traffic to view all the website traffic. You can view this as a table or as a chart right here. And there are so many menus over here. You could click on the FTP accounts to create another FTP account, or a new FTP account right there. Click MySQL to go to MySQL Manager to manage databases, users, to access it remotely, or go to the PHP My Admin right here. Let's go back to the dashboard. You could see some information with some clean icons on the dashboard, like some statistics of the website also. And the SSL manager is right here that you could add to your website. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments below which web hosting provider you prefer or would fit your business needs. And you would love to share your thoughts with our community. I would love to hear about them. Alright, you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.